Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your payment not completed in App Store in iOS 16. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first troubleshooting step that you can do when you have this issue is to check the payment method information. So before you try any other solution, it is important to double check the payment information you've submitted for your Apple ID. So it or if your data is valid and up to date. And then here's are the steps on how to see if your Apple ID payment information is correct. So first, just go into your settings app and then just scroll down until the iTunes and App Store appears, and select iTunes and App Store from the drop down menu. And after that, just touch your Apple ID, so right here, and then tap View Apple ID. And you'll be prompted to enter the password for your Apple ID, and you fill them out after you've filled them out, and then just simply press sign in, and finally just go to the payment information and double check that all of your payment information is valid and up to date, including your payment method, billing name, and your billing address. So that's it for the first troubleshooting step. What you can do next is to delete payment method and then just add it back again. So to remove a previously stored payment method, just follow the steps right here. So open the settings again, and at the top of the screen, tap your name and then select payments and shipping from the drop down menu. Your card will be tapped, and just remove the payment method by simply and then remove the payment method from your iPhone. And then to restore the payment method, follow the steps right here. So the first three steps are the same as the steps above. So right here, the first three steps on this part. And then after that, just enter the password for your Apple ID and then add the payment method by tapping on it, and then fill up the blanks with your payment card or PayPal details. And next, what you can do is to sign out and then sign in again in your App Store. So even if you've double checked that your Apple ID's payment data is valid and current, it is possible that your Apple ID is stranded. So in this situation, logging out and back into your Apple ID may resolve the issue. So here's how to log out and back in into your iTunes or Apple ID account. So again, go to your settings app and then select iTunes and App Store option. And after that, hit your Apple ID and then just simply sign out. So finally, just hit sign in again and then sign in with your Apple ID, email, and then password. And after you've logged back in, try placing an order again to see whether the issue persists. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.